Can you tell us more about the financial positioning of Landco right now?
Right now, I would say that Landco is now stronger. We have recently secured the funding commitment from our shareholder, Metro Pacific Investments Corporation. As you know, it's one of the leading conglomerates and a member of the MVP group of companies. Okay, so on our own, Landco has its own resources. We have 2 billion of receivables, which we can collect within the next 2 years to complete the project. We also have existing receivables, fully developed, which you can sell for the next 2 years. So in terms of liquidity, I would say we're good. Profit-wise, we have recently experienced sudden surge in increase in pricing of our projects because of the clamor for wider open space, laid back environment, and so on. So as early as the last 5 months, we have experienced a surge in sales. Sales have increased over the same period for the last 3 years. So I'm sure that with all our other initiatives which have taken, as Eric said, we have cleaned up Landco, and we have taken yung opportunity during the lull in the business activity and the construction period to streamline our business processes. So with this, we expect to have operating efficiencies, lower operating costs, and higher profits for Landco in the next years to come.
Thank you so much, Ms. Vivian. I want to know more about, of course, the public would want to know more about how is it for them to invest. We all know that in the current situation right now, people are a bit hesitant into, investing their money. Most people are liquid, yes. And given the current situation right now, that people are hesitant to invest in properties and other stuff as well. What can you say about this, Miss Vivian?
In addition to what our Eric and Patrick has mentioned before, I think for me, the most compelling reason would be we now have the backing of Metro Pacific Investments Corporation, and as a member of the MVP group, Landco can create higher synergies in terms of the infrastructure that we need to create a sustainable beachside community. As you know, the MVP group is into roads construction, telecommunication, power generation, and water distribution systems. So these are all the infrastructure that we need to create an integrated community. Another compelling reason is that Landco has over 30 years of pioneering experience in a well master planned community, right? So our Punta Fuego, the flagship Punta Fuego, Peninsula de Punta Fuego, will attest to this claim. Third, land is a store of wealth. And from our experience, Landco, over the past 20 years, Landco's prices of Landco's project has risen about 437%. This translates about 23% annual growth rate for each project. So what can you ask for more? It's a 23% return on your investment. So I don't think your investment in stocks or in the money market can give this kind of yield, right? So that's it. Lastly, funding for this project, especially the Casubi and the Club Laia project, is already in place. As I said, we have the support of Metro Pacific Investments Corporation, and we have our own resources to tap. So Landco is on its way to deliver on its promise.
Thank you so much, Ms. Vivian.